Hello, welcome to Joy's Cooking Show. Marinade steak meat ingredients: 1/4 cup soy sauce, lemon juice, 1/2 of olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, 1 tbsp black pepper, 1/2 tsp salt, 1/2 garlic, 1/4 onions powder, 1 tps of chili pepper, sea salt, fresh rosemary. Today I am going to show you how I did my pork steak in my ceramic fry pan and how pepper, dry meat, and also the process of marinade over 30 minutes before starting cooking in high and medium heat in both side of the meat and allow it to get brown color and flips every 3 minutes for the meat to releases.